Hi, today we will learn how to create a question to the outline part. In the left side, there are 4 sentences. In the right side, there are the question words we learned before. Now in the first sentence, 我在学校. Now we will create a question to ask where are you? Now how to do this one? The first difference between Chinese and English, Chinese never start from the what, when, where. They will put the question words in the answers. So in the first sentence, 学校 is the answers. Now I will take away the 学校, change the answers to question words. Which question words will you use? Because this is a place, so I will choose the 哪里. So the change is the question answer will be 你在哪里?你在哪里? Now let's move on to number 3 and number 4. Number 3, now we will create a question about Derek. So the same, we will take away the answer, Derek, and find out which question words can put here. Now, because Derek is a person, so we use the 谁在 Zoe 的前面. Number 4. Now, here we say a box. The box is in front of Zoe. So when you take away the box, now you will look at which one you can use to ask something that with what. What is in front of Zoe? Okay, in here you will choose 什么?什么在 Zoe 前面? Now in here, number 2, 学校在饭店的左边. We can have 2 options. One option, we just ask 学校在饭店的哪里? You can choose the where. Now also we can choose the 哪个 which. In here you can ask which side. So you can say 学校在饭店的哪边? In here we will change the 个 to 边 side. Now 哪个 is which one? 哪边 which side? So also you can ask 学校在饭店的哪里? Now you can choose one of them to create the question for the number 2.